Alright, so first up, we're going to talk about Dunhill Icon Racing Green. I'm going to go over the notes, followed by a smell test, where I'll let you know what the opening is like, and then I'll come back in an hour or two. I'll tell you what the dry down is like. So, there's top notes of bergamot, grapefruit, cardamom, middle notes of blossom, lavender, and black pepper, and the base notes of musk, gaiac wood, and vetiver. Okay, here's the smell test. Wow, that's a great atomizer. Definitely sprays. Doesn't feel like it's too cheap. Yeah, right off the top. Explosion of citrus. Definitely gonna have a good sillage. I can't tell you what the longevity is gonna be like, but definitely smell that bergamot. The lavender comes through. Citrus. The pepper note. Very nice, very fresh, springy. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like when it dries down. Dry down. Dunhill Icon Racing Green. I gotta say, it's overall a fantastic scent. Great value for your money. It's been on for about 3.5 hours right now, and I can tell you that the gaiac wood, the vetiver is coming out, but I can still smell the lavender. So it's nice to see that the mid notes, they stick around for a while and they help diversify the fragrance. I gotta say the packaging is really well done. I love the chrome accents here. Really reminiscent of a car. On the cap, again the Dunhill, all in chrome, and these white stripes. I mean, doesn't that scream Camaro SS? It's just, it's really well done. Love the ribbing on the bottle. So yeah, overall, fantastic value for money. The atomizer as well is surprisingly good. It really, like, this is a Super Soaker 9000, reminiscent of Dior Sauvage and the like. So do be mindful when you do spray it on. It's basically a 2-for-1 in here. And the projection of the fragrance, very, very strong in the initial couple of hours. Don't be like me. I made the mistake. I put this on before I got in a car with someone and they told me about it. So you will fill up a room, definitely. Longevity, 8+ hours, no problem. It's an eau de parfum, so I'm not surprised there. Definitely want to check out the other offerings in this house. I think, honestly, like I said, fantastic value for money. Compliment getter, but it's still unique. This is not something that everyone is wearing, so you will most likely get some compliments there. Great for the daytime, great for the evening, date. You can dress this up, you can dress this down, you can undress in it, it's gonna do it for you. Again, overall, you can't go wrong with this. Fantastic value. If you want it, you can get it. Link to it down below. I'll catch you guys